Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve another SQL problem from HackerRank website, and the name of this problem is placements. And today is our date 22 of 100 days of SQL challenge, where I will be solving one question each day, and I hope you guys are also solving one question with me to master SQL. Okay, so let us read the question. You are given three tables, that is students, friends and packages. Students contain two columns, that is ID and name. Friends contain two columns, that is ID and friend ID. And salary, and this packages contain two columns, that is ID and salary. Okay, so we have three tables, students, friends and packages. Students has two columns, that is ID of the student and name of the student. Okay, and this friends table have also two columns, that is ID of the student and ID of his friend. Okay, and this packages table have two columns, that is ID of the student and salary of that student. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to write a query to output the names of those students whose best friends got offered a higher salary than them. Okay, so we need to print the name of those students whose best friend got more salary than them. Okay, and then names must be ordered by the salary amount offered to the best friend. Okay, so after printing the names, we want to order those names by the best friend salary in ascending order. Okay, it is guaranteed that no two students got same salary offer. Okay, and we have this small explanation as well, where we have ID, name, salary, friend ID, friend salary. Okay, so for this Ashley, okay, her salary is 15.20 and her friend salary is 10.06, which, so her salary is, Ashley's salary is more than her friend's salary, so I don't need to print the name of Ashley in my final query. For Samantha, her salary is 10.06, but her friend's salary is 11.55, which is more than the salary of Samantha, so I want to print Samantha. Same with Julia and Scarlett, because their salary is less as compared to their friend salary. And after printing the names of Samantha, Julia and Scarlett, I want to order them by their friend salary in ascending order. So 11.55 name, that is Samantha, will come first, followed by Julia, and at last this Scarlett. I hope you understand this question very well. So to explain you in better form, I have made the same tables in MySQL server. So let's go to MySQL server and solve this question. Okay, so let's focus first on these two tables, that is students and friend hack. So I already have a friend name table in my database, so I have tweaked the name as friend hack, but the data is same. Okay, so let me show you these tables. Okay, so we have this ID, name, and then in friend hack table we have ID and friend ID. Okay, so let me start solving this question. So to get the friend ID and friend name in one single table, definitely I need to join these two tables. Okay, so from students as S, I am aliasing as S, I will do inner join with this friend hack table. Inner join this friend hack table as F on this S dot ID is equal to F dot friend ID. Okay, so F dot friend underscore ID. Okay, so now why I am doing S dot ID is equal to F dot friend ID? So see this, now this F dot friend ID, let's see this. So this F dot friend ID, that this two record will join with this 2, right? Because the s dot id is equal to f dot friend id. So this 2 will join with this 2. So what records I will get in my final table? I will get, if I say f dot friend id, then I will get this 2. If I say f dot id, then I will get this id. So 1, 2 I will get, and then 2 will join with this, and the name I will get is Samantha. So Samantha is the name of 2. So this Samantha name will be the friend's name, because this 2 is the name of Samantha. Okay, let me explain you, let me write as well so that you guys understand better. So this, if I take the id from this friend hack table, so I will get f dot id. So this will be as, this will be student id, so I will write st underscore id. And then if I get f dot friend id, this one, so this will be friend id, so I will write fr underscore id. Okay, and this Samantha, the name is Samantha, and this is the name of 2. Okay, so this 2, so this, if I get the name from this students table, that is s dot name, so this will be friend name, so I will write fr dot name, fr name. Okay, so I hope you guys understand this. So I will write select, and I will retrieve these records from these 2 tables that I have joined. All right, let me run this. Okay, so we have the student id, friend id, and her friend name. So this id 1 has friend id 2, and her friend name is Samantha. Okay, we get this. Now let me treat this as a separate table. So let me make a ct with ct as this. Okay, so if I do select star from ct, I will get all these 3 columns. And if I do select star from packages hack, okay, let me run both of these tables so that you guys understand it. Okay, so now we have these 2 tables, that is ct, this one is ct, and below this is the packages hack table. Okay, so now if I want to compare the salary, so definitely I need to join these 2 tables. Now if I join this a student id of ct table with the id of this packages table, what the salary will be, the friend salary or the salary will be the student salary? Let me explain. So this one will join with this one, right? With this one. So what records I will get? I will get student id 1, friend id 2, and her friend is Samantha, and this one, the salary is 15.2. so this one is whom? This is student id, so this salary will be the student salary. Okay, so let me quickly join these tables. So select star from ct as c. Okay, I will do inner join packages as p, on which column? On this c dot student id, c dot student id is equal to this is the packages hack table, so p dot id. Okay, and now this salary that I will get is the student salary. Okay, so I need all these 3 columns, so I will say c dot star, and then from this packages hack table I need only the salary, so I will write p dot salary as student salary, so I will write st underscore cell. Okay, and let me run this. Okay, so we got the student ID. So now this someone student ID 1, her friend ID is 2, her name is Samantha, and the student ID salary is 15.2. Now I need the friend salary as well. Okay, so let me make this as another city. So I want to make this whole as another table as a whole. So I will make another city as city2, as you can name any. Okay, you can name anything you want to name, but let's say city2. Okay, so if I do select star from city2, I will get all the 4 records. And let me, for explaining, I will do select star from packages again, because now I need the friend salary as well. Then let me run this. Okay, so I need to do packages. I have chosen the wrong table. Okay, now this is the city2 table and this is the packages hack table. Now I need one column here which will be friend salary. So I need to join this friend ID of this city2 table with the ID of this. Okay, so this one will join with this one. So what records I will get? I will get 4, student ID 4, friend ID 1, friend name Ashley, student salary 12.12, and then 15.2 will be the salary of this friend ID. So this Ashley is, this is the 15.2. Now this will be the salary of Ashley. Okay, I hope you understand this. So let me again join this. So select star from city2 as c2, inner join packages hack as p on which column? So c2 dot this friend ID, this friend ID is equals to p dot this ID. Okay, and I want these 4 columns, so I will say c2 dot star, and then from this packages hack table I need p dot salary, and this salary will be friend salary. So I will write f cell and let me join. Okay, so we got the friend salary as well as student salary. Now it's very easy to filter. Okay, so we need to filter the name of those students who have less salary than their friend salary, right? But I don't have the student name. I want to print the student name. I have the friend name. So student name is present in students table. So again let's join this whole table with the students table to get the student name. Okay, so let me say again create this city3 as this. Now select from city3 as c3. I will say inner join students as s. Okay, on c3 dot student ID. So I need to join with the student ID because now I need student name. Okay, so student ID is equals to s dot id, right? S dot id. I guess this is in capital letters, and I will need all these 5 columns. So I will say c3 dot star comma, from s I need name as student name. So I will say s underscore name. Okay, and let me run this. Okay, so we got all the things that we want. Now we want to filter. So for filter we have this where a function to filter the records. So we can now say that where I want the records where the friend salary is more than the student salary. Okay, so what I will do, I will say f underscore cell is greater than s underscore st. The name of the column is st underscore cell. Okay, let me again run this query. Okay, so we got this. Now I need to order this also. So I need to order by the friend salary in ascending order. So order by as salary, and by default it's ascending, but let's write anyway. Yes, okay. Now I don't need all these columns in my final result set. I only need the student name. So let me remove all this and let me just get the student name. Okay, so we get Samantha, Julie and Scarlett. Okay, so I hope you understand this question, and let me just copy and paste into my HackerRank environment and submit this. Okay, let me paste the query here. Alright, but here the name is name of the table is friends, so let me just change the name. Okay, so I need to change the name of friends hack to friend, and where else I need to make, so everything is joined in. Okay, and for this packages hack I have to join with packages. Okay, so we have to change this to this, and here as well. Okay, and let me run the query. Okay, so congratulations, we have passed all the sample test cases, and let me submit the code as well. Yeah, so we have successfully submit this code as well, and I hope you guys like this video, and if you have the better solution than this, then please comment in the comment section, and thank you so much for watching the video.